let's walk through how to add a generic results list to our template. Here we are at my blank template. I've titled it Section Front. I've selected the section layout, which gives me a top, a main, a right rail, which is sort of a thin bar that goes along the right side for smaller features, and a bottom section for a footer. As I mentioned earlier in the article, I've gone with the site menu for the global content source, and I've inserted news in order to build this site. You could go ahead and put any other section title that you have in your publication, whether that's sports, lifestyle, anywhere where you have articles. Now we will go ahead and in this main section, add a generic results list. The generic results list is going to be a pretty common choice for you to use. It looks a lot like a flex feature, except that it has, like a feed-driven flex feature, which has more than one result, except that it has this fun little load more bar, which allows your reader to, as you would imagine, load more stories. So here's where things get a little bit different. Because we've used the site menu as our global, we can access that here. And that allows you to change the word news in your global results and have all of the features change as well. So instead of writing news right here, which is how we would do that normally, we're going to go ahead and do something that looks a little funky. We're going to put global._ID in 2 sets of curly braces and a set of double quotation marks. It looks a little bit weird, but all we're saying essentially is go to my global content preferences, find the ID, which in this case is news, and use it here, and put it in quotation marks. That's what we've done there. This is a taxonomy.sites.name. With a feed order, I'm going to go with most recent first, and feed offset is 0 and 3 stories. Now, I apologize, my content is going to look a little funky. I'm using a test content source. I'm going to go ahead and reload my preview. Here are my stories. So as you can see, some of our test articles are rather creatively named, but you'll be able to see what's happening here. And here we have a set of feed-driven flex features and this load more button that we can go ahead and click to get a few more stories. Pretty useful.